Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this here. The ARTETHYS beverage screen shelf 6 or 3 boxes of beverage crates. It's a beverage rack with wheels, stable and space saving. This crate shelf is for beverage, of course. It creates beers and water boxes. It's beverage crate holder, and it's made out of wood. That's good. It is on the market available with 6 boxes version or 3 boxes version. A small one and a big one. You can double it if you like. Safe and stable. We store our beer crates very free thanks to the high quality FSC solid wood. The wood of that water box shelf walls, heavy coke and water boxes, beer boxes and much more. With a maximum load capacity of 30 kg per level, this shelf ensures the stable and safe storage of our boxes. And flexible size options. The beverage crate shelves with tray is available in 2 different sizes. For us, we can choose whether we want to accumulate 3 or 6 crates depending on the space required and number of boxes. The dimensions of the 56.5 to 34 to 117 centimeter for 3 boxes and the 102 to 32 to 130 centimeter for 6 boxes made the deposit shelves the ideal solution for household of different sizes. And it is a mobile storage rack. This beer crate shelf wood is equipped with 4 flexible wheels, or 6, and there are 2 wheels with a locking function, so we can simply move the beverage cabinet and place our beer crates. And further to storage solutions, the bottle boxes stands offers a simple and efficient way to store beverage crates or other household items such as food boxes, decorative items, or toys. Thanks to the appealing design, it fits into any kitchen, cellar, or storage room and offers a practical storage space on 3 levels. And space-saving and particle design. The slim and space-saving design of that crate stand allows the optimal use of the available space without appearing bulky. The shelving system ensures order and clarity in our household and offers a particle solution for storing our beverage crates and more. And of course, we can see what all get placed there. The ARTETHYS beverage crate shelves made of wood with 6 boxes available. A universal use, suited for vegetables, fruit, crates, and beers. The bottle box shelves provides order in a variety of boxes of nearly all sizes, and we can quickly and easy remove bottle and boxes and sort the empty bottles. We keep our beverage boxes organized, especially designed for a reception of beverage crates. Weight 8 kg, length 102 centimeter, the wide 32 centimeter, the height 113. You see, that's enough space. The wooden water tank shelf offers a space for heavy coke and water tanks, beer, crates, and more. With a maximum load capacity of 30 kg per level, this shelf ensures a stable and safe storage of our boxes. We have here a good wood material, a light material, but strong load capacity, corrosion protection, and a durable lockable wheel design. Easy to move anytime or in a position to lock that. Easy assembly. The package contains instructions, screws, and Allen key for easy installation. The only thing is, maybe you have to drill in the center area the hole's a little bit bigger, that the bolt is better placed there. But then it is attached and job's done. This is the ARTETHYS beverage crate shelf with 6 or 3 beverage crates possibilities. Of this, nice looking and easy cabinet for water boxes, beer boxes, and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.